Hello, my name is Huni, and I am your local unicorn. Hello, everybody. This is your daily dose of unicorn. This is a snow fort made by unicorns for unicorns. Let's take a closer look.
Have you ever seen anybody send a unicorn down a zip line?
This unicorn likes to read everyday items in interesting ways. Hello there, Sans Peepins. It's wonderful to see you, Professor Shakewell. Thank you for regurgitating soap on me, Mrs. Myers. I hope you have a clean day. Mom! Oh, Mom, is that you? Oh, I guess it's just wow berries. Nat Ree's Bakery Fig Bar. Somebody drew this picture. Nank spoils. These bananas are beside this label that says ananas. Things are about to get a little holy. This says Saint Eam. Montreal Saint Eek. A teacher's heart is where it Saint Arts. This unicorn is sweeping up a mess. This is two unicorns driving in the kitchen. Uh-oh. This is a unicorn wearing a dress. I am learning how to play the piano. That's not me playing. This is two unicorns standing in front of the pantry door. There's a big unicorn beside a little unicorn. Now there are three unicorns. Hello, Clarina. Hello, Rita. Hi, Huni. Hello, Huni. This is two unicorns playing hide and go seek. 99, 100. Ready or not, here I come. Now, where could you be? Let's see, Rita. Oh, you found a great hiding spot wherever you are. Where could Rita be? Let's go a little higher and see if we can see. Oh, there you are. Here I am. That was a great spot, Rita. This naughty unicorn is jumping on the couch. This unicorn is waiting for the train.
Da 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 da.
Da 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 da.
It is question time.
Done.
So this question comes from Sam. It says, love from Sam.
Oh, Sam, thank you for this comment. And love to you as well. Today is a great day to be thinking about love and ways that you can show people around you that you love them. Because it is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all out there. And much love from all of us.
Are you ready for this one, Hoonie?
I don't know.
Well, this one comes from Andrea. It says, tell me about... No, it says, it's hard to read upside down. Hold on a second. There we go. It says, tell me about narwhals. Are they just aquatic unicorns? Or are they not related at all?
Oh, this is an interesting question. The short answer to this is no. The longer answer is no, a narwhal is not an aquatic unicorn. But if you want a slightly longer answer, I could tell you this, that when I was growing up, I used to sometimes hear my mother say, "What is a unicorn? But just a landlocked narwhal at heart." Those are words to live by.
Speaking of words to live by, Hoonie, tell him what you told me just the other day. You know that thing about being a unicorn?
If everybody around you is a unicorn, then maybe it's you who is the unicorn.
Don't forget to press the thumbs up button, also called the like button. It helps to spread our message to more people and grow our wonderful community.
If you liked what you saw, please check out Your Daily Dose of Internet, which is a fantastic channel. The link will be in the description below to check out lots of wholesome videos.
Hey, what's this that's happening?
Francine, I got you a Valentine.
Aw, shucks. Thanks, Hoonie. What is it? How did you do that?
Thank you everybody for watching this episode and joining us today. I look forward to seeing you again next week. Keep going out, shining your light on the people around you, and loving with all of your heart. Bye, my friends.